Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about Havasu apple cider vinegar soft chews. So this was a sample given by them, and thank you Havasu for that. So Havasu Nutrition has the apple cider vinegar chews. There's 60 chews inside the package, and there is 20 calories per chew. This is how they look. You need only one a day. It has a lot of great benefits. This is how they look. They taste like berry. Um, I make sure you keep them in a place cool because otherwise they can melt. And I already tried one. It's delicious. It tastes like berry. Great supplement. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.